When I first arrived in Adelaide to pursue my master's in aerospace engineering, I was captivated by the city's dynamic innovation ecosystem and its welcoming community. The University of Adelaide provided not only a robust academic foundation but also access to the cutting-edge research facilities and industry connections that are instrumental in shaping my career path. During my studies, I became deeply interested in the impacts of space environment on life sciences and in developing enriched medicines to treat complex diseases like cancers. This passion led me to co-found ResearchSat, a startup dedicated to facilitating biomedical research in space and now manufacturing novel medicines in space. I met the other founders at the university as part of our master's project in Aerospace. We developed a microhabitat that can sustain bacteria in space. At that time, we could not find any particular partners in the Asia-Pacific region who can provide a space mission for our research. We took it upon ourselves to develop a platform that develops researchers to do their research in space while providing a turnkey solutions for space mission, from satellite development to retrieval of the samples from space to deliver it to them. Through the support of the University of South Australia Innovations and Collaboration Centre and Venture Catalyst Space program, we developed our first CubeSat payload designed for our life sciences, research and microgravity environment. Our journey did not stop there. Recognizing the global potential of our work, we expanded ResearchSat operations to my home country, India, establishing the collaborations with local research institutions and biotech companies. Adelaide's supportive environment for startups and its emphasis on the international collaborations have been pivotal in our growth. The city's commitment to foster innovation in sectors like space technology and life sciences make it an ideal place for aspiring entrepreneurs and researchers. My experience here has been transformative, providing me with the tools, network, and inspiration to turn a research idea into a venture that spans continents. Choosing to study in Adelaide was one of my best decisions I have made, setting me on a path to contribute meaningfully to the global scientific community.